Okay, so up here on the line, underneath. So as soon as you've got your line under the eye, just drag it up. Okay, line from underneath. Drag it up bit by bit. Match it across the top. You'll have a small wing for now. And then you just make it bigger. Okay, and then go under your eye, like the other side, only halfway across. And the other bit is white. Just check it in my mirror again. Okay, 2 wings, 1, 2 wings. So we've done base, bronzer, blusher. We've got white, brown eyeliner. Again, you can use pencil if you're more comfortable using pencil. I wouldn't use it on the top. That closes your eyes up. Go underneath. Okay, I'm putting it on my eye already. Yeah, so don't go on top of your eye. Again, closes your eye up. Try and go underneath. Okay, but pencil is no problems if you are more comfortable using it. Eyebrows are next, obviously. Go from the inside around the top. You do need to find eyebrows, otherwise they look very washed out on stage, and they look a lot smaller on stage. So you'll make them a little bit thicker than you are used to. And a little bit longer if you prefer. So it matches where your white has been. So if you put more white on, you can cover some of the hair and then draw on your eyebrows. Some of my friends used to draw on their eyebrows. Started ships when it was popular to have skinny eyebrows, so you had to draw on thick ones. To be seen. Yeah. So colour in your eyebrows. Make them quite defined. Some of my friends on my last ship used to use eyeshadow, like good dark blacky brown eyeshadow. You can use that as well. Try not to make them look like slugs, rainbows. Not too much of an arch. Keep it as natural as you can. Don't want to look too much of a clown. I mean, you'll look like a clown, of course, because you're just too much. But you'll still look good, so don't panic. Okay. Okay. Okay, so eyebrows, eyeshadow, eyeliner. Eyelashes. I always use my lips last. Eyelashes. Now, depending on where, what show, etc., etc. I mean, for the ships, like I said, there's a lot of costume, a lot of lights, a lot of scenery, a lot of everything going on. You still need a face, so we used to go quite big. We used to go dramatic, 200s, 202s, 204s. They're going to be too big for the shows Heather might be putting on. So I'd go for the 145s, anything in the red, exaggerated look. I wouldn't go for a dramatic look. They are huge. Yeah, go for your smaller eyelashes. Okay. So, I mean, if you are nervous about putting eyelashes on, get practicing. It's really not difficult, I promise you. When you get into the knack of it, you're like, simples, right? So, if you have worn your eyelashes before, try and get some of the previous glue off. Okay, when it's dry, obviously. So you've peeled them off your eyes, and then you just take some of the glue off. Now try not to pull, the actual black thing of it. That would not be good. But if there's too much glue on there, take it off. If you've got new ones, you won't need to do this. If you're reusing, then you will. Okay. Obviously, you can tell the difference. There's a right eyelash and a left eyelash. Common sense. It does say right and left on the package. But if you've used them before, you will be able to tell one side is longer than the other. Yeah, try and use my white wall. This will be my left eye. Okay, I'll do left eye first. Get some glue. Eyelure I like anyway, but if you are allergic to some of the glues from some of the products, go for natural glue, natural brands, not a problem. Whatever suits you best. Sorry, I'm not even showing you what I'm doing. You just put the straight on top, make a layer of glue. Okay, probably too much on one side there. Okay, no, I've got nothing. Okay, so you just put glue on the top. Blow it a tad, okay? And then just close your eye, if you can close one eye at the time. I can't with this eye, I can do it this eye. You just put it straight on top. Okay, so don't worry about the extra glue that's fallen off or been placed. That will be, you can wipe that off straight away. Don't panic. Okay, so basically it's on my eyelash at the moment. Again, don't worry about the glue. Let me get the inside. It's hard in the camera like this, not in the mirror. You place it down. Get it on the inside of your eye. So you like rock it down. Push it like right into the corner of your eye. And then follow it along after. You see, the glue's gone already. So yes, for me that's too far out, so you can take it off. Pull it in a tad. So on the outside is fine. Now, I'm just going to use the inside. It's hard to show you. So I'm just literally, I can feel the corner of my eye, of the eyelashes, and I'm going to glue it on the corner of my own eye. And you can push it down. Push this down, push it up. Okay, push it down and push it up. You will poke your eye many and many a times, okay? But don't panic. As long as it's on. You can also put mascara on before if you wanted to. It is up to you. I'll show you one eye with, one eye without. Put my quick eye mascara on. You will see that it makes not much of a difference. But it's always up to you. Or you can put them on and then put mascara on to make the eyelashes a bit bigger. But for me, there's not much of a point for that. But up to you, really. You can mascara the eyelashes. Make them stand out. Okay. So, my right eye. Obviously, I put my right eye on. Where's my glue? Where's my glue? Okay, right eye. Yeah, I'll just show you the glue again. Put your glue on. Okay. Dry it a tad. Put it down. Stick it on the inside of your eye. Again, it depends on your eye shape. If you are somebody that needs it further out to make your eye look bigger, move it out. If you're somebody that has skinny eyes, it will fit the whole of your eye. It will go on the inside. So just keep poking and prodding and then pushing up. So it's quite big. Okay. Cool. Okay, yeah, always mascara, bottom eyelashes. Okay, eyes are done. Last but not least, lipstick and lip liner. Yeah, I do like to use lip liner. Got a runny nose now. Just follow your lips all the way around and then underneath. If you like to start at the bottom, go for the bottom. It doesn't have to be right up here, as long as you've got this and then this. Also, make sure your lip liner is darker than your lipstick. Otherwise, that'd be pointless. You'll just be wearing lipstick. This is a definition. It blends anyway. Clear up any lines that you can see in a normal mirror rather than phone mirror. That you couldn't see before. Okay, and that's check your teeth with lipstick. And that's pretty much it for stage makeup. So like before, base, used double wear, which Heather used for her wedding. Base, powder, bronzer, a blusher, okay? Eyes, you've got your white and your brown, depending on the colour. If you're going for like a 70s, 60s, go green or something like that. I thought I had a palette in front of me, but I don't. Eyebrows or eyeliner, it depends which one you want to do. Get your winged effect by using the white and the brown to help you with this little triangle in the corner. Go black underneath and white in the center. Make your eyes look longer. Eyelashes, again, don't go for something massive. Try and go something that's close to your eyes size. And then last but not least, lipstick. Always do lipstick last. No point putting it on first, because you're probably going to eat or drink something before you go on stage. So last. You don't need to put it on an hour before. Put it on literally just as the show's starting or something. Yes, unless you're first on, then a bit before then. But you don't need to. So try and do everything else first. I always do my hair first. I mean, I don't need to do my hair now. But yes, do your hair first. It's out the way. It's lacquered, hairspray, whatever you need to put on, gel, whatever. And then do your makeup. Okay. I hope that helps.